Wanted some videos. Yeah, about to get a video right now. So check out what I got for my truck. Got some SRT Challenger seats that are gonna go on that truck. So I did go to the store, to Home Depot, to go buy some. Let me show you guys some of those metal plates, because I have to modify the seat brackets to make those seats fit. See, kind of got tired of these old seats. I was actually looking for some SRT 10 Ram seats, but man, they're hard to find, and if you find them, they're too expensive. So gotta put the windows down because it's hot. Alright guys, so excuse the mess. My truck's a fucking mess. I haven't had time to clean it. But yep, I'm about to take the seats off so I can see how I'm going to do this. It's too hot out here. I didn't want to do this today because it's too hot. But I don't get that many days off, and when I'm off, I really don't want to be doing this. But right now, I don't have shit to do, so here I am. So there, I took the two back screws off. There's two in the front. So here we go. So there's one right there, one right there. About to take them off. Go. Just put him back here so we won't lose him. Now, we could take the seat out. But first, we gotta unhook it, because since the front seat, driver's seat, has electric seats, gotta take these off. This right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Right here. Ah, come on, bitch. Hold on. Alright guys, so I already finished with the driver's side. So we're about to go to the passenger side. I did not record the driver's side because I didn't know how I was going to be doing it. But now that I have an idea, let me show you guys on the passenger side. So basically right here, I measured from right here to right here, and it is about 17.5 inches. Around there, more or less. So that's what we're measuring here. About 17.5. The bracket, let me show you guys how it looks over here. So this is how the seat looks. Now, damn, there's a lot of gnats out here. Anyways, now here's the brackets, and this is where I screwed them up to. Now I kind of wish I would have put the seat a little bit more back, so I wouldn't be seeing this, and I could have just put the seat a little bit more forward. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end up redoing this one. The other seat, I'm gonna do it a little bit better than this one, but yeah, kind of wish I would have done it a little bit more back so I could put the seat forward and it would have hide out this. But yeah, so basically it got welded to the original brackets right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did the bracket with the passenger side. And yeah, stay tuned. There you go. That's one plate. It's not hot. This is the other one for this side. So basically, still gotta grind it out a little bit, fix this, but basically this is how I'm gonna do it. And then I have another plate. Not this one, this is just an example, but basically it's gonna go like this on top of here, and I'm gonna weld it like if it was an H. I also gotta make the holes right there, right here, so the seat is screwed up to this. And I'll show you what I do next after that. There you go, guys. So the first one is done. Nice and tight. Now we gotta do these ones. Alright, guys, there you go. See, put this brackets already in there. So up next is I'm going to put, like I said earlier in the video, another metal right here, just for extra strength. A lot of people put him right here, and another one right here. But honestly, I don't see why they would do that if, like, the legs literally sit right here and right here. So I mean, the thing's already holding up pretty good, just having the legs right there. I mean, honestly, I don't even think I need these. I don't even think I need the middle piece, but I'm still going to do it just for extra strength. So yeah, guys, but that's how it's looking right now. Alright, guys, there you go. So right now I just tacked it just so I could remove it, because I do not want to weld it on the seat, because I don't want the sparks to get on the seat and burn something. So right now I just tacked it because that's how I'm going to want it. So right now I'm going to remove it. I'm going to weld it all around, so it could be nice and strong. So you
check it. I'm from the 530, city of the Blue Devils. I was chillin' with my fucking perros. Talk shit, you can suck on my huevos. Don't conversate with me and ain't about the pesos. I'm a money man, homie, like to make stacks. Work hard since a kid and that's facts. So relax, there ain't no competition, cause since I started rapping, I've been on a mission to be great, homie, yeah, be big. And I don't give a fuck who be talking shit. I'm me and that's the way that I am. Crazy ass dude, crazy ass Mexican.
Alright, guys, here you go. Not the best welds, but I haven't welded in years, so still kind of got it. Check it out. Still gotta clean it up a little bit, but that's pretty much it. I mean, I just gotta weld the other brackets for my stock seat and then put it back on this, and I should be done. Alright, guys, so I don't know if people are around my town be sitting too much, because it's hot as hell out here. Like fucking hot. Check it out, guys. So I ran into a little problem. So apparently the seat on the passenger side sits higher than the one on the driver's side. So the bracket, I had to do it a little bit different, which I'm kind of bummed out about that, because I wanted them to be the same. So let me show you guys. So I just tacked it because I don't want to weld it completely being on the truck and burn the carpet. So I just tacked it right now. So as you can see, I had to make that little plate over there, so the seat could go all the way to the back, just like that one, because if I wouldn't, the seat would have sat a little bit more forward and I wouldn't be able to go more back. So I had to do it like this, so it could be just like that seat over there. Let me show you guys on this side how it looks. So remember, I had put that little plate on the passenger side, and on this side it doesn't have it, but the bracket is a little bit more forward. See, now I don't know if these brackets on the driver's side is a little bit longer than the one on the passenger side, because this seat I'm able to move it more forward and more back than I was able to do it to the passenger side. So I don't know, but yeah. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the seat out, I'm gonna take the bracket off, and I'm gonna weld the bracket all around so it could be nice and like, you know, good, so it won't move. I won't have any problems with it. But yeah, so that's pretty much the little problem I had ran into. Now what I could do, I could put that seat a little bit higher, like I could raise it. This one I can, this one stays just like that. But I actually enjoy driving the truck like that, how it is. So I don't really want to put it more up. So yeah, so I guess that's what I have to do, just that little bracket right there. And like I said, guys, hot as fuck out here in Texas. People be sitting way too much out here or something, because, man, it's fucking hot. Alright guys, so like I said, it's hot as hell out here, so don't mind my face. But I'm finally done with putting both seats on. Check it out.
Yeah. Yo soy un vato loco y eso no lo escondo. Y tu vieja dice que yo soy bien cachondo, pero le encanta, por eso me habla. Dice que quiere que se lo haga en la sala. Si soy mujeriego, eso no lo niego. Tengo sangre sales y me gusta el pedo. De este morro ha sido un tesoro. Me dicen el lobo, es uno de mis apodos. Yo soy mexicano, al millón yo ando, y en la mamalona me la paso zumbando. Muchos me odian, pero no hacen nada al momento que me miran cara a cara. Me gusta hacer feria, pero de la buena, para el fin de semana andar en la peda. Me gustará hacer canciones, puro rap de cabrones, y a tu morra se le mojan los calzones. Desde nacimiento